All right, match each equation with its graph. I'm gonna zoom in the equations real quick. And then after we work on the equations, then we will zoom it out again to see what graph matches with each one. Okay, so vertical asymptote, I'm just gonna work in this space right here. The vertical asymptote will be where the function is undefined. We know the function becomes undefined when we have to divide by 0. So what that means is that we can take the denominators and to see what are the values of x where this is, which will give us 0 in the denominator, so then we will be undefined. So for item A, we'd say x plus 1 can't equal 0. Subtract 1 from both sides to say x cannot equal negative 1. So then we're looking for a vertical asymptote at x equal negative 1 for A. We're also looking for that same vertical asymptote for D. This has the same x plus 1 denominator. So vertical asymptote at x equal negative 1. So which are the graphs that have a vertical asymptote at x equal negative 1? So on this graph, we have a vertical asymptote at x equal 5. On this graph, we have a vertical asymptote at x equal negative 1. Notice that the graph is blank at x equal negative 1. We have the same thing on this graph at x equal negative 1. Let's see here, right here. The graph is blank. We have a vertical asymptote. Okay. We'll real quick look at the vertical asymptote you get from B and from C. Again, take the denominator and set that not equal to 0. Then add the 5 to both sides to say that x cannot equal 5. And over here, same thing, x cannot equal 5. Okay, so the ones that we labeled in blue are the ones that'll have your x plus 1 denominator. And the ones that we labeled in raspberry, pinkish, will have the asymptote at x equal 5, like this and like this. Okay. So now we need to think about the end behavior of the function, or horizontal asymptote. Okay, so where does this graph flatten out? What is the line that can't be touched? Here. This is y equal 5, y equal 4, y equal 1, y equal 2. At y equal 3, it's never touched. Okay? If we look at this one, y equal negative 5, y equal negative 4, y equal negative 3, y equal negative 2, y equal negative 1. Y equal negative 1 is never touched. Okay, and you can do the same analysis on the other two graphs. So in order to see where this will flatten out, we said what we could do is we could substitute infinity. So let's do that. For answer choice A, if we substitute infinity and infinity here, we would say infinity minus 2 is infinity, and infinity plus 1 is infinity. So infinity over infinity, same divided by same equals 1. So this is going to flatten out at y equal 3. So for item A, we want y equal 3, and we want x equal negative 1. So notice that that's this graph. Y equal 1, 2, y equal 3 is the asymptote, the level that is never touched. So that means that this is choice A. All right. Again, infinity over infinity. Infinity minus 2 is just infinity. Infinity minus 5 is infinity. So think of this as infinity over infinity. Same divided by same, which is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So for answer choice B, we're also looking for y equal 3. So this is the other graph that has y equal 3 as the asymptote. And we wanted x not equal to 5. And we can see that here, that at x equal 5, that x value is never touched. So that means that this is the graph for answer choice B. All right, let's keep going. Again, plug in infinity, infinity over infinity. Infinity minus 2 is infinity, infinity minus 5 is infinity, infinity divided by infinity is 1. So you're looking at negative 2 plus 1, which is y equal negative 1. Y equal negative 1, because negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So x can't equal 5, y can't equal negative 1. Like that. So answer choice C is this one, with y equal negative 1 and x equal 5 as the asymptotes. All right, and let's confirm that we did this correctly by analyzing answer choice D. We already know that answer choice D will never touch x equal negative 1 from this denominator. And now we'll substitute infinity for x. Infinity minus 2 is infinity. Infinity plus 1 is infinity. Infinity divided by infinity. Same divided by same is 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So again, at y equal negative 1, we'll have an asymptote. So, and we said it at x equal negative 1. So x equal negative 1 is here, never touched. Y equals negative 1 is here, never touched. So this is answer choice D. Then the last question, label with an equation the vertical and horizontal asymptotes for each graph, either y equals or x equals, and I'm pretty sure that is now all done for each item. Yes. All right, thank you for going through this review and continuing to work hard in the class.